How to promote affiliate links for beginners. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can promote Amazon affiliate links to Pinterest. So let's get started. First off, to become a Amazon affiliate person, you have to go on here to amazon-program.amazon.com where you can sign up to become a affiliate. Now, Amazon calls their affiliates Amazon associates, and it's very easy to sign up. There are some basic information and basic details provided on their homepage. You can see you're just going to sign up, then you're going to recommend Amazon products, and then you're going to start earning money. Now, if you scroll down over here, you can see how the associates program works if you qualify for that program, because in a lot of cases, people do not qualify. They don't realize that they don't meet up the minimum requirements that have been set up for Amazon, and they do not realize that they might be just missing one tiny thing that they need to add to start becoming an affiliate here on Amazon. Now, if you just click on Learn More over here, you open the link in the new tab, you can see that there are some of their basic policies over here, and you're going to click on Associates Program Eligibility. So first off, you cannot promote or contain sexually explicit or obscene materials. You cannot promote violence or violent materials. You cannot promote or contain false, deceptive, or defamatory materials, and then you cannot promote any materials that are hateful, harassing, harming. You also cannot promote or undertake illegal activities. You also have to include any trademark of Amazon or its affiliates, or a variant of misspelling of a trademark of Amazon, and then you cannot violate any intellectual property rights. So these are some of the basic requirements. Then you have links on your site, so you cannot if you have special links after you apply to the Associates program, you are permitted to display special links on your site. Then you have general requirements applicable to all special links. So these are some things you need to make sure that are valid for your special link on your website if you're looking to become an Amazon associate. After that, you have the responsibility for your site. So you will be solely responsible for your site and its development, even though if you are an Amazon associate, Amazon holds no intellectual property over your website, and you need to make sure that your website is up and running at all times without any help from Amazon. Then you also have a promotional limitation, so you cannot engage in promoting, marketing, or advertising activities on behalf of Amazon or their affiliates. So that is something to keep in mind, that you're just promoting their products. You're not promoting Amazon itself as a business or any of their activities. Then you also have to fulfill the distribution of special links through software and devices, and then you have to monitor the content on your site. Amazon has very strict guidelines, and Amazon really does follow through with these. You will easily be cut out if you don't meet up to these requirements. Now, under the Associates program here on Amazon, there are a lot of additions and exclusions described in the product statement, and a product is any physical or digital item sold on Amazon, and no services other than Amazon Home Services are included in the product statement, so you can only promote products on your Amazon affiliate link. Now, if you want to become an affiliate on Amazon, you're just going to go on to affiliate-program.amazon.com, and then you're going to click on Sign Up over here. Then you're just going to enter your password. So once you have entered your password and email, you're just going to set up your account by adding some of your personal details, and you can get started on becoming an Amazon associate. Now, you might be wondering, how do I promote my links on Pinterest? Well, it's very easy. You're just going to create a Pinterest account, and all you need is an email or a Google account, and you can create a Pinterest account. Once you have created a Pinterest account, you're going to start creating pins that link the Amazon product, or that link the Amazon product review onto your pin board. So you're just going to click on Create over here. You're going to click on Create Pin, and then you're going to drag and drop a few images to your pin. So let's say if I have an affiliate link for a light. So let's say it's just a light, and then you're going to make sure you add a good description, and then you're going to head on here to Canva. You're going to click on Custom Size, and you can just click over here onto inches. You're going to make this 12 by 12. You're going to click on Create New Design. And after that, you're going to build a very beautiful promotional page or pin for your affiliate link. So what you're going to do is you can either search for the templates over here as well, or you can create a new pin altogether. If I open up a pin, I can show you guys what basic pins here on Canva look like. They're very professional and good looking, so if you want to save your time, go with a template, but if you want to make a very customized look for your pin, definitely start off from scratch. Now, I just said that we are promoting a light, so what we're going to do is we're just gonna go and search for RGB, or let's search for lights on the templates, and we're gonna scroll down and look for, yeah, you can see over here that we have a very beautiful template, and all you have to do now is change up the text for the template, and then you are ready to post your affiliate link onto Pinterest. So this is actually a very perfect caption for the product that I want to promote. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this out. I'm going to click on elements. I'm going to click on text over here. Then I'm going to click and add a subheading, or you can use one of the text combos. So you can see there are a lot of great text combos as well. So I'm going to go for a text combo instead. The best lighting systems. Now I'm going to resize my text. I am going to move this up here like so, like this. And once you have designed a good looking pin for your Pinterest board, you're just going to click on download. You're going to download it as a PNG or a JPG. That's totally up to you. And I'm going to download this. Once you have done that, you're just going to click on over to your Pinterest pin, and you're going to add your images. So let's open up our downloads over here, and we're going to add this image. And you can see over here, this is such a appealing little pin that I have created in under a minute. So it really didn't even take me over 2 minutes to make this pin, this entire pin. And I have something that is very appealing to look at. Now, another very important thing is to make sure that you add a good description. So we're going to add a little description, and after that you can add your destination link. So that is going to be the link for the Amazon product, and you can publish this immediately or publish it at a later date. Now I'm just going to click on publish, and you're going to create a board, affiliates, and you can keep this board secret or make it public. I would suggest that you make it a secret board just to categorize all of your affiliate links into one little board for yourself. And then you're going to create your little pin. And this will help drive people from Pinterest onto your Amazon affiliate link. And you can make any kind of little pin to promote your Amazon affiliate. Make sure that you look at the product first. So if you're getting affiliate links for different kinds of products, you want to make sure that you're well versed in what the descriptions are, what the basic tags are, and you want to make sure that you do add tags to your pin. I didn't add any over here, but make sure that you do add tags. So lights, home lighting, like this. I'm gonna publish it. And just like that, you can start driving traffic from Pinterest onto Amazon. This is one of the very simple ways you can promote on Pinterest. Definitely do vary your pins. So if you're creating a bunch of different image pins, make sure you change it up with video pins. So if you go on to Canva, you can also make small, tiny animated videos, and I would definitely suggest that you do that as well. You can add tiny little animations to your pins as well, and that looks a lot more appealing as compared to a stagnant pin. And I can show you guys the difference, because if I go into my home feed, you can see that if it is something that I scroll over and it's a video, so videos look more appealing. People are more interested in seeing the entire video, and people might, view it a couple of different times if it's a video, but if it's just an image, people are just going to cross by. So you can see this little pin, even though it's very appealing, it isn't as appealing as some of the more dynamic and real life looking pins. So you want to keep that into account when you're designing your little pins to drive traffic onto Amazon. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to drive traffic from your Pinterest account onto your Amazon affiliate links, and I will catch you guys in the next video.